Time to wake up, save Africa from lies. Brothers and sisters, wake up. The time for silence is over. Africa is facing a deep conspiracy, a flood of lies designed to derail our mission. The mission of African unity is in danger. Every day, on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, thousands of videos appear about our leaders, about our countries, about our struggles. And many of them are not true. They are fake. Some try to praise, some try to scare, some try to confuse. But all of them aim to weaken Africa. At the heart of this storm is Captain Ibrahim Traoré of Burkina Faso. Captain Ibrahim Traoré has become the most faked leader in Africa. No doubt, he is a great leader. A brave soldier who rose to defend his people. Since 2022, Traoré has achieved much in 3 years. He started factories, tomato paste, fruit juice, meat, milk, cloth. He built roads, railways, canals, and cleaned the country. He built a gold refinery to keep Burkina Faso's wealth inside Africa. He launched solar power projects to light villages that had lived in darkness for decades. He pushed irrigation tools and new techniques to help farmers fight hunger and drought. He built strong trade relations with Russia, China, Turkey, Mali, and Niger. These are real achievements, brothers and sisters. Real victories. Real hope. But very soon, the internet flooded with fake videos that threatened to bury the truth. The fake glory videos. When Traoré started showing results, the first wave of fake videos came, positive propaganda designed to confuse people. Listen to some examples. Traoré builds 100 factories in 1 month. Burkina Faso becomes richer than France overnight. Traoré creates world's strongest army in 30 days. Burkina Faso discovers oil and becomes OPEC member. Traoré declares space program, Burkina Faso to Mars. These videos sound exciting. They give hope. They make people proud. But brothers and sisters, they are not real. And here is the danger: when the real achievements come, like a small tomato factory or the gold refinery, people laugh and say, this is too small. We saw videos of giant miracles. The lies steal respect from the truth. They make Africans doubt their own leaders. They create confusion. And they serve the enemies of Africa. The fake war stories. Next came fake war videos, claiming impossible victories. Here are some examples. Traoré's army destroys 10,000 terrorists in 1 night. Burkina Faso captures France's secret bases in Sahel. Traoré launches nuclear strike on terrorist hideouts. Burkina Faso becomes Africa's military superpower overnight. Traoré's army marches into Paris. Impossible, right? Even America, with all its drones and satellites, cannot do this. Yet millions watch and share these videos. And what happens? The real soldiers, the real battles, the real suffering, all of it disappears behind fake numbers and fake glory. These lies create false hope and blind people to the truth. And that is exactly what the enemies want: divided minds, weak hearts, confused people. The fake diplomatic stories. Then came fake diplomacy videos. They made Traoré look like a global hero, signing deals and traveling the world in 1 day. Some of these titles. Traoré signs secret nuclear deal with Russia. China gives Burkina Faso $500 billion in 1 night. Turkey sends 200 fighter jets to Ouagadougou. Traoré meets Putin, Xi, Erdogan, and Khamenei in 1 day. United Nations declares Traoré the leader of Africa. Yes, Traoré has built real relationships and trade deals. Yes, investments are coming. But these fake videos exaggerate, distort, and confuse the truth. And when the real deals happen, people say, it is too small. Once again, lies steal the respect of reality. The fake economy and development stories. The lies spread into economy and development too. Every day, new flashy videos appeared. Burkina Faso becomes the richest country in Africa overnight. Traoré builds 100 oil refineries in 1 month. Gold production reaches 1,000 tons per day. Burkina Faso launches its own currency backed by diamonds. Ouagadougou Stock Exchange beats Wall Street. These titles sound like dreams. But dreams that are not real become traps. They make Africans expect instant miracles. And when reality comes step by step, people lose faith, anger grows, and the enemies smile. True development under Traoré is happening: factories, solar power, gold refinery, irrigation, but the lies make it hard for people to see, believe, and support. The fake global hero stories. And then came the fantasy stories. Superhero lies. Traoré wins Nobel Peace Prize and World Leadership Award in same day. Hollywood makes movie about Traoré while he is still in office. Traoré becomes United Nations Secretary General overnight. Beyoncé performs national anthem for Burkina Faso. Traoré walks on water during independence celebration. Some laugh at these stories. Some share them for fun. But they are dangerous. When fantasy mixes with truth, the mind cannot separate fact from fiction. Even the real progress, factories, solar projects, trade deals, look small or fake. And this is exactly what the enemies of Africa want: confusion, doubt, and division. The real suffering behind fake videos. Now, brothers and sisters, let us see the most painful part. These videos are not just lies, they hurt real people. Imagine a farmer in Mali, Niger, or Burkina Faso. He watches a video saying, Traoré built huge irrigation canals. He waits, he hopes, he tells his children, water is coming soon. But months pass. The land stays dry. The heart breaks. Or a mother who lost her son to terrorists. She sees 5,000 terrorists killed in one night. She sleeps with relief. But next week, her village is attacked again. The killers are still alive. Outside Africa, the world also watches. They see impossible stories and stop believing in Burkina Faso. They think everything is propaganda, even the real progress. This hurts trade, investment, and respect for the country. These fake videos are weapons. Weapons against minds, against unity, against hope. Rise and protect the truth. Brothers and sisters, now is the time to rise. The mission of African unity is under attack. Fake videos are not jokes. They are weapons. Every fake video about Traoré, Burkina Faso, or African freedom is an attack on our unity, our education, our prosperity, our sovereignty. So what must we do? 1. Do not just watch. Do not just believe. 2. Report every doubtful video. Use YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. 3. Expose every lie. Share the truth with your family, friends, and community. 4. Follow real sources. Support official government channels and verified African news. When one African reports a fake, YouTube may ignore it. But when millions report together, they cannot ignore us. This is our duty. This is our responsibility. To protect our leaders, our struggle, and our mission. Africa must rise, not only against guns, armies, or terrorists, but also against lies and fake propaganda. The fight is on the battlefield, yes. But it is also on the screen. It is in the mind. And in this fight, the greatest weapon is not a gun. It is truth. Not. Brothers and sisters, wake up. The mission of African unity is not just a dream. It is real. And we must protect it from the flood of lies that try to bury it. If we guard the truth, no fake video, no propaganda, no conspiracy can stop Africa's destiny.